This is my base. Oh, and just so you guys know, yeah, this paint is already ready for pre-pour, but I have decided to do my own little mixture within it. And so I have alcohol in this and 2 drops of silicone in there. And so we're just gonna see what happens, you know? Hopefully it's great. But if not, like I said, today is raining and I'm in a lot of pain. I had to take medicine on top of medicine because I'm supposed to take medicine prophylactically daily. But I also have breakthrough pain meds. And today I had to use the breakthrough pain meds. And yes, it doesn't sound like I'm in pain, but when you live with a chronic health condition that causes pain, the pain that I feel, I've been feeling it since I was a baby, when I didn't even know what pain was. So, yeah. Yeah, I can do other things while I'm in pain. Doesn't mean I hurt less. It really sucks. It's a dampener on things, and I don't know, I hate this disease and how much power it tries to have over us, and sometimes it wins, but guess what? I'm still here. So somehow, you're still my bee. Anyway, so what I'm doing with the colors, I took the black, I used Midnight Black Pearl. I took that and I put that 1 strip in the middle. Then I placed directly on top of that the Copper Penny. Then I took this, I love the peacock teal, metallic peacock teal. Peacock. And I placed that on one side. And on the other side of that, I placed Crazy Purple. Purple's my favorite color. And then I'm gonna sandwich it by placing magenta. I'm gonna put that directly in the middle, okay? Then I'm gonna leave my black alone because I'm gonna be done with my black. And I think I'm gonna go put some more, I'm gonna do a strip of bronze again, just a little thin one, right down the middle, and then I'm gonna be done with that one. And then I'm gonna take my purple again, and I'm gonna place that one on part of the bronze. Okay. And then I'm gonna take some more of the peacock and place that somewhere down there. And then I'm gonna go just a little bit more magenta. I'm just gonna do that, okay? And then we're gonna do a swipe effect. But before I do that, I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm just gonna pour it. Like I said, I don't know how that's gonna work. I'm gonna just pour it along that side. And then we're gonna get to it. We're gonna see what happens. Hopefully it happens good. I'm gonna take this. Okay, maybe I should stop with that. I'm gonna take this. Now I know you're like, oh my gosh, why are you messing up a perfectly good canvas? This is not open. So I'm gonna take it and I'm going to swipe my white over. Swipe it over. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Swiping my my white over. See that? All right, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, and I kind of have a certain amount of colors on this side and a certain amount of color on this side, so I'm not gonna go straight through. It's gonna be more of, I'm gonna take this side of my canvas and I'm gonna come this way, and then I'm gonna try to remember to flip this side and go that way. So let's get to it and see what happens. So we'll just start in the middle and come out like that. Yeah. Okay. And then take the middle again. Okay. And then take the middle again. Ooh.
That looks cool.
Take it. All right. Yeah. Then I'm gonna take this side and take the middle and go that way. Take this middle and go that way. Yeah. There we are. Now I'm gonna let it sit for a second. Let's see what we got, what cells we're working with. See these little cells that are coming through? Yeah. It's pretty nice, I must say. I'm actually really liking it so far. I'm getting a little happy. Okay. Let's try again. I'm gonna take, oops, flip it. Gotta remember, cause see, this side, it's okay if I have a little teal in there, but my purpose was I placed my colors a certain way because I wanted one side to look opposite of the other side, or kind of, you know, kind of different. Yeah. Just did. And then, yeah. Okay, and then just, yeah. And then the same with the other side. I'm going to swipe. Yeah. Pretty. Okay. And now I'm just going to let it sit. See what kind of comes through again. Yeah. I don't know. I wonder what you guys are thinking so far. I really like the cells that pop through. But I must say, I also really wished I had not used as much paint as I used. Okay. Going that way. And then going this way. I am loving these sails, guys. Loving it. Like, oh my goodness. I don't know what you guys are thinking. I'm gonna do another tilt this way. I'm not as quite happy with this side, but it's okay because the bronze is starting to come through and the teal. My daughter is my camera person today, and I really would like to know what she's thinking at this moment, guys. So we're gonna have her come in for some commentary. What are you thinking, Ariana?
I like it.
Oh my gosh, I'm loving that teal that's coming through. See that?
Yeah, I like the tail.
God.
That part kind of needs to blend a little more.
Yeah, this part, I don't know what I want to do with that. Let's see if I can.
Cause that part's like really dark. Has no like blue.
Let's see. I might be able to. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you know what I could do? Hold up. Let's see. Okay. I don't know if you guys were paying attention one of the days, but one of the days I used this and I spent it a little bit. So I'm gonna kind of do the same here. Hold up a second. Because I still love it, especially all of that, guys. I am just loving it. All right, so I've got some teal right there on this. And instead of just pouring it there, what I'm gonna do is see that? See how it just kind of hints? Hold up. And then we'll do a swipe. And swipe. Okay. Yeah. Whoops. Okay. And then let's see. I'll do a tilt that way. Oh gosh, I am loving it still, guys. And that corner now, see how I kind of fixed that corner? You see that? So it's like that gray mush that we kind of saw that I wasn't all that happy with. I am now being extremely happy with. Yeah. Loving it. Oh my gosh, guys. This is by far my favorite paint I have done. My favorite. All right, and then I'm gonna let it sit. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I gotta say, it did not, once again, come out how I wanted it to come out. But it came out amazing. I love it to death. Love the way this came out. I am not sure if you guys do. Even look at that on there. Look at the residual left. Oh my God, it's amazing. And even over here, like up in there in the little crease, beautiful, just beautiful. The sides came out amazing. I am extremely happy with this painting. I'm extremely happy with the sales, and I know within 24 to 36 hours, can we get like a top bird's eye view of this? Maybe you stand up so you can see it good. Yeah, like it's absolutely amazing. I love it to death. I am going to show you guys the finished product. But oh my gosh, like I just love it. And I don't even think she has like the full frame in, but I love it. Love it. All right. Anyways, guys, I really hope you love it too. I really hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And as always, any critique is good to me because I am learning on the fly. I normally just paint regular paint with acrylic paint, which is actually what I was supposed to be doing today, but I started feeling a little bit like Dora the Explorer. So I decided to explore with some more acrylic pouring instead of doing what I normally do or whatever. But I'm really glad that I did that. I am extremely glad that I made the choice to do this. Yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna let this dry. Obviously, we have a lot on the canvas because I am going to let this dry probably for 4 days, guys, to be honest. But yeah, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I don't think I'm gonna do any more acrylic paint for the next 3 days. I think I'm gonna let this one dry, and I'm gonna be a little bit done with the acrylic paint, and I'm gonna start back doing the regular paint for a little while. So after you see this video, you'll see some regular paintings for a second. My agenda is to do a cloud story. Yeah, so basically like a series of clouds in different emotions. So I don't know which colors I'm gonna use. That's all dependent on how I feel on that day. But after we see this video, up next for the next couple of videos, we'll be seeing cloud series. So I really hope you guys love me as much as I love the support that you're giving me. And I really hope, again, you share your expertise down below, or how you're feeling, what you think, what you feel like I should have did different, what you feel like I did wrong, what you love that I did, and what's your favorite thing about this piece. Anyways, until next time, if you're feeling lonely, sad, happy, angry, whatever emotion, whatever you have built up inside, I say release it by painting. So just paint until the next time I see you. I'm out.